In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Instacart account. Whether you're planning your weekly grocery haul or prepping for a special event, having easy access to Instacart is incredibly helpful. Let's dive right into it. First things first, open up your preferred web browser and navigate to the Instacart website. You can do this by typing instacart.com into the address bar or simply clicking on the link if you're provided with one. Once you're on the Instacart homepage, direct your attention to the top right corner where you'll see a login button. Click on it. Now, you're presented with options to enter your login information. If you've got a Google account linked to your Instacart, you can simply click on the Google button. This saves time and you won't need to remember another password. However, if you'd rather use your email, just type in your email address into the provided field. For those using the Google option, you'll be redirected to a page displaying your Google accounts. Choose the account connected with your Instacart. When prompted, you'll see a message about sharing information with Instacart. This is a standard authorization step, and you can feel reassured knowing it's safe. If you're okay with this, click on Allow. After this, you'll find yourself back on Instacart, likely prompted to enter your location. Instacart uses your location to connect you with nearby stores and services, ensuring timely deliveries. Just type in your location in the designated field. For example, let's say you're at Ocean Getaway or any other place, type that in and proceed. Once you've inputted your location, look for the Save Address button and click it. This step ensures that your location is saved for future use, simplifying searches and orders next time around. At this juncture, Instacart might offer you a trial, a try free for 2 weeks promotion. If you're interested in exploring additional benefits, feel free to click on it. But if it's not for you right now, there should be a no thanks option. So you can simply opt out and continue with your session. And there you have it. You are now logged into your Instacart account, ready to begin shopping at your convenience. This process not only makes your grocery shopping more efficient, but ensures you have access to a wide range of product options without the hassle of in-store visits. Thank you for sticking around, and I hope this guide was helpful. Enjoy your Instacart experience and happy shopping.